Hello guys, in this video I'm going to take you through TK HR and Payroll system. This is a human resource and payroll management system. So let's log in and start. So just after logging in, this is the dashboard. This is the admin dashboard where he can view various information like total employees, roles, projects, tasks, all this, the calendar, and so on and so forth. So first of all, we start with the employees part. You start with the employees dashboard. You will get to know such information from here, from the employees dashboard, the roles, the super admin, the employees. Maybe if you have another user role, you'll get it here. You can see there are some few graphs here and there. Rural branch, all these total employees, total salaries. When we go to employees, you will see the list of employees here. You can add new. Also you can view details of these employees, and this is very this system captures a lot of information when adding a new employee or editing information about an existing employee. So like when we take like the demo user, this is what you can get from that user, from that employee. You can download the profile. Here is the name, last name, the ID, the username, all these departments, date of birth, state, province, city, religion, nationality, like that. You can also have a picture of employee. You can save it here. Immigration documents, you can add them there if you have. If you don't have, then you just leave it. Emergency contacts, these are the next of kin of this employee. Social networking, their Twitter profiles, Facebook, any social media. Documents, here you will add their CVs, their certificates, passports, any document that is attached to this employee. You can add it here for future reference. You can see, you can set the document type, ID, description, all that. You can also add the qualifications, the school they attended, what they got. You can set it from here. Their work experience, where they have been working previously before coming here. You can record all that information from here. Their bank account details, this for easy dispatching the payrolls, and their pay. You can set all these bank details from here, change their passwords, their security level, contracts, if they are employed under a contract, when is it expiring. You can get it, you can set it from here also. You can add all those information from there. Also the next part, you can set the salary from here, monthly, hourly, like this. Then the salary, allowances, you can add them there. Commissions, they are here. Deductions, you can add them also here. Are they fixed? Are they percentages? All those. Maybe NHIF, and so on and so forth. Other payments, you can add them there. Overtime also, they can be added to the salary or the payment. Also loan payments, maybe this employee has some few loans here and there, or maybe he has taken a loan from this company. All that can be added from here. Yeah, that's about the salary. Let's go to leaves. Here you will view the list of all the leaves this specific employee has requested. Also the core HR, you can view the awards. Maybe this employee was best in doing something, was best, the award name, you can award your employees there. Traveling, training, tickets, transfers, promotions, complaints, warnings. Also you can manage all this via the core HR. The projects that this employee has been doing, is it in progress? You can view all the projects and tasks. Also the pay slips, you can view all the pay slips from here. You can print them also. So that's about the employee details part. Here is the list of all the employees. You can filter employee directory, all that. You can set roles for your users. There is the super admin, all menu access. There is the employee custom. You can also add a specific role for people who are accessing the system. The employee, let's view for employee. The employee you can set so that they can use all these modules. They can change all these. You can tick what you want to appear on their dashboard. Yeah, so this is about the roles and privileges. Also working shifts, morning shifts, or maybe day shifts or night shifts, you can add them from here. The time in, time out, you can add a new shift also from there. That's about office shifts. So let's go to the next part, which is the payroll. This is where you'll get all the information about the payroll itself. Which company you can select, you can filter. This is when maybe this company has multiple branches, so you can manage all this from here. The payslip history, you can get it from there. You can export to Excel, to PDF, so on and so forth. Let's go to finance. This is about the accounting of the company, or maybe the HR part of the company. So you can get a summary of everything from here. Deposits, expenses, all that. You can get a list of all accounts from here. Initial balance, you can set them all this. Here you can edit, you can delete. Yeah, you can deposit some money. You can record everything there. The expenses, you can add an expense maybe electricity bill, water bills, all that. You can transfer funds from one account to another via this part. You can view all transactions done inside the company from this part. Yeah, so that's all about the finance part. The core HR, this is all about a few things that are so also important, like the awards. You can add an award here for the company. You select the company, you select the employee, the award time, the award type, maybe the performer of the year, the date, the gift, or maybe some cash for that award photo, a description. Then you can save that about the awards. Transfers, you can transfer an employee from one company to another. Yes, or from a department. You can promote them also from this part. Also, resigning, you can add resignations from here, which employee, resigning date, the reason, all that. Promotions, you can promote your employees to a new level. Also, you can manage their complaints from here. You can get a list of all the warnings that you have given to your employees. You can add new warnings to a specific employee. Maybe it is a bad behavior upon something, or maybe they are breaking the rules. That's all about warnings. Terminations, you can manage them from here. You can add a new termination from there. Add some few details about it. Attach also if there is a document, you can save. Employees exit, maybe the employee is leaving the company. So that's all about employees exit there. Employees last login, this is the history of the employees, of how they have been accessing the system, who accessed the system at what time, and so on and so forth. You can see it from here. That's about core HR. Let's go to the next part, the organization. You can manage the companies here. You can add a new company to be using also the system. Just add the company name, the type, registration number, email, all this, website, password, tax information. Then you can also set the location. This is Ruiru branch. Maybe you have another branch somewhere else. You can add it here. The departments, you can manage them from here. All departments, maybe the account and finances, main office, all those departments. Also the designation of the employees, you can manage them from here. You can add, you can delete, all that. Announcements, you can add new announcements to your employees here, which you select the title, date, like this, the ending date of the announcement, the company, which department, yeah, all that. Company policies, you can add them also there. All these will be visible to the employee. Yeah, that's all about the organization part. Let's go to the timesheet. you can access the timesheet dashboard here, the attendance status of today, the absent, the present. You can view all of them here. Overtime requests, are they approved, pending, all that. You can view the attendance reports of all the users here, the clock in, the clock out. You can update the attendance of a specific date. Maybe it was some few weeks ago. You can update it from there. Monthly timesheet of all the employees, you can see it from here. So you can view the calendar, the date, select the date, the company, the employee, then you get the whole report of how he or she have been coming to work. Overtime requests, you can process them from here. Also, you can add a new one, delete all that. I'm going to add demo data, then record another video about this HR system. The HR calendar, the holidays, the leaves, training, meetings, all this you can just manage them from here. If it is a holiday, you just drag to the date like that. You add the title, the company, event, all that. Also, you can view the tasks or assigned to a specific employee. You can add them. Tasks calendar, all these: completed, in progress, not started, cancelled, task Kanban board. It's bringing an error since we haven't added any task, but once we've added, it will generate the Kanban board. Let's go to the next part, the files. These are a file manager for the employees or for the whole company, all departments, like this. The files, you can view them here. The extension, uploaded date, main office, like that. Official documents, you can get them from here. Official documents, license name of the company, all this information. Expired documents, it will list for you here. Immigrations for your employees, like that. Official documents, asset warranties, the ones that are about to expire, all that. You can manage invoices, all invoices for your company. You can add a new invoice like this. The calendar of everything, invoice payments, tax type, all this. You can manage also your leave requests of your employees. You can add, you can filter, all that. Project manager, also the projects that you have been working on as a company, you can manage them from here. All the projects, you can add a new project here. Your clients for that project, time logs, the calendar, all these, are they completed, Kanban boards. Then we can go to estimates, or else quotations. You can create new estimates, estimate calendars, are they accepted, the leads, time logs, quoted projects. All this is the information that you can set in the system. The performance, you can get it from here, from the you can get the performance of an employee, give a performance remarks also. You can add them from there. Indicators here, goal trackings also, goal types. All this will be visible in this system. You can get HR reports also, the pay slip reports, attendance reports, training, projects, user roles, so on and so forth. Like that, the pay slip reports, you can get them there. You can print, you can export as PDF, get Excel document. Yeah, that's about the reports. The configuration, you can configure your company name, the currency to use, date formats, footer text, all this, emails, the roles, the payrolls, all these, performance, the system logo, email notifications. All these can be set up also for the system. Constants, the contract type, the qualifications, you can add them here. The language, maybe that's a qualification, a skill. The document types, maybe an ID, birth certificate, so on and so forth. The awards, religions, you can add them from the configuration. Leaves, warnings, expenses, incomes, currency type, companies, securities, termination, all this. Then you can set up the modules that you want to use for the system. Are you recruiting people? You can just add the travels. If the ones that you are using, you just enable them. If you don't want, you just disable. Database backup, you can backup and restore easily. You can download also. You can set email templates for anything that's happening in this system. That's all about this TK HR and payroll system. You can also, in other part, you can manage the assets of the company. The asset which is assigned to which employee. You can add new assets here. Category of the assets, that's about assets. Tickets, add new tickets like this, add a new one. Holidays, you can add new holidays, maybe they are public or private. The next part, you can set custom fields for your system. Maybe you want another field in which area, the module, the employees, like this, the announcements, where you want an extra field for information. HR imports, you can import bulk attendance in form of Excel, like that. Import attendance, import employees, import leads here. Then the payees and the payers, you can set them here. The contacts, events and meetings, you can add them also from here, apart from the calendar. Meetings here, you can add them. You can see previous meetings, that at the time. and so on and so forth. This is the calendar also. Yeah, you can view also the organization chart like this. You can export. Yeah, that's about our HR and payroll system. The notifications also, it's there. If you have any questions about this system, just ask me from the comment section, or you send me an email. Thank you.